Hi, I'm Morgan from Unisub, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate an aluminum license plate. These are a really great product and have more uses than for just your car, to a golf cart, gator, or even a kid's remote control car. We also manufacture a mini license plate and a license plate frame. You can learn more about those other products at unisub.com. Let's get started with our sublimation. First, let's go over the supplies you'll need to get started. A blank license plate, a printed transfer from your sublimation printer, heat tape, a clean microfiber cloth, scissors, heat protective gloves, a cooling rack, 2 pieces of protective paper, and your heat press set to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius.
Okay, let's go ahead and get our license plate ready for sublimation. First, turn on your heat press. If you have not already done so, we recommend to set your press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius and to press at a medium pressure. Next, remove any film that may be on the surface of your plate. And wipe it off with a clean cloth just to make sure that there's nothing on the surface. For sublimation, I'm also going to wipe off my transfer too. Okay, make sure that your transfer is laying on a flat surface, and then you can tape your license plate to it. And I'll just use a few pieces of heat tape to do this. I probably recommend 4 pieces here since it is a pretty long product. Okay, and we are ready to move over to our heat press for sublimation.
Okay, we're ready to sublimate our license plate. First, lay a sheet of protective paper down on the bottom of your press. Then we're going to lay the license plate on the press. You'll want the back of the license plate to be on the bottom, the printed transfer on top. Then cover it with another sheet of protective paper. Confirm that your press is at the right temperature. That's 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius. We're going to press the license plate from a minute to a minute 20 at a medium pressure. I'm going to go ahead and press. Another thing to keep in mind is that all heat presses can be a little bit different, so experiment with yours to find the right time and temperature that works best for your heat press. Okay, let's grab our license plate off of the heat press. I'm going to open up my heat press. You'll also want to put on a protective glove or both gloves. It will be hot, so definitely use caution. Remove the top sheet of protective paper. Then using my heat glove and my hand, I'm going to rip off the transfer. And we have our sublimated license plate done. I'm going to lay it on my cooling rack to cool off for a little bit. Our license plate turned out great. The colors always look amazing with sublimation and Unisub products. If you want to learn more about our products, you can do so at unisub.com. Be sure to check out our partner portal for free graphics, product templates, and more. Thanks for joining us today. Happy sublimating!
Thank you.